Hey everyone, have you ever wondered why we can't reach absolute zero? Absolute zero is the theoretical lowest temperature possible, where all molecular motion stops. But here's the kicker: no matter how hard we try, we can never get there. Intrigued? Let's dive into the science behind this fascinating concept. So, what exactly is absolute zero? Scientifically, it's 0 Kelvin, or minus 273.15 degrees Celsius. At this temperature, the atoms in a substance would be at their lowest energy state, theoretically ceasing all motion. Sounds pretty straightforward, right? But in reality, the universe has other plans. First, let's talk about the third law of thermodynamics. It states that as the temperature of a system approaches absolute zero, the entropy, or disorder, of a system approaches a constant minimum. But to actually reach absolute zero, you'd need to remove every last bit of energy from the system, which is practically impossible. Why? Because as you get closer to absolute zero, it becomes exponentially harder to remove that tiny bit of remaining energy. It's like running towards a finish line that keeps moving further away the closer you get. Moreover, quantum mechanics throws another wrench into the works. Even at extremely low temperatures, particles still exhibit zero-point energy. This is the lowest possible energy that a quantum mechanical system may have, and it's never zero. So, even at what we consider the brink of absolute zero, there's still some motion thanks to this zero-point energy. And let's not forget about the cosmic microwave background radiation, a faint glow left over from the beginning of creation. This radiation bathes the entire universe at a temperature of about 2.7 Kelvin. So, no matter where you go in the universe, you're always surrounded by this residual heat, making absolute zero unattainable. But why does this matter? Understanding absolute zero helps us to comprehend the fundamental limits of our universe. It influences everything from the behavior of materials to the stability of atoms. And it reminds us that even in the coldest, most desolate parts of space, there's still a dance of energy happening at the smallest scales. So, while we may never reach absolute zero, the quest itself pushes the boundaries of science and technology. So, the question to ask yourself: can zero truly ever exist? Proving that a value of something is always in existence, but changes and is always a number, and not zero. And zero is not a number. It just means there is no value, or it's off, or anything. To quantify, it is a concept for understanding, not a reality. And that, my friends, is the beauty of scientific exploration. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the void, don't forget to like and subscribe for more mind-bending science content. Until next time, stay curious.